Hello guys, today I'll be making a video on the different types of upright vacuum cleaners and how they will perform. So here on this side we have a 1971 Hoover Junior Dirt Searcher, which is a dirty fan and soft bag machine. Here we have a 1992 Hoover Turbo Boost, which is a dirty fan and hard bag machine. Here we have a 1989 Electrolux Twin Turbo 2 Super, which is a clean fan and hard bagged machine. And here we have a Dyson DCO3, which is a clean fan and bagless machine. So we're going to be seeing how all these machines do. They all have bags in, except for the Dyson. And we'll see how they do. So first off, this could be a bit older, say like a Turbo Power 1, just based on that. They ran until about 1992, I believe. Well, they ran till about 2000, I believe. Turbo 1, I'm not too sure. But anyway, we'll start off with the Junior. We've just got household dust and stuff spread down. So we'll see how this does. So first sight, the bag's blown itself up big time. Because it's had a lot of fine dust going there. It's cleaned the carpet surprisingly well. There's nothing left on the carpet. It did struggle with the shredded paper a bit, but all vacuums do. Next we have the Hoover Turbo Boost. So we'll use this on the normal setting. That worked quite well. It done better than the Junior. It cleaned it up better. Next we have the just turned it on by accident. Got the Electrolux Twin Turbo. Now that's actually done the best so far. It just sculpted it up. Now we've got the Dyson DCO3. That's got to be the worst vacuum by far. That was rubbish. It pushed it around so much and it done nothing really. It's just, yeah. Just feel you can see the canister. It picked it up, but it didn't do as well as the Twin Turbo. So we'll just test the Twin Turbo again with the contents of the DCO3. There we go. Back there. I use these vacuums, so I'm not too fussed about them getting dirty. So we'll just show you how good the Twin Turbo is. I haven't used this vacuum for ages, so it does quite a good job. So let me just show you. to be the best vacuum out of this lot by far. Even though the Hoover machines are quite good, and even lifting up the turbo boost now, it's dropped a few bits of dirt and it's very dusty underneath. They all get dusty, I suppose. But of course, they are vacuum cleaners. Just check the insides. This one's actually got a pneumatic HEPA flow inside. Yeah, it's coated with dust and it's dirty, but they all get dirty, I suppose. Go. Check this one in the bag, in here. Not got a genuine bag in this one, actually. It's filled up a little bit, not much though. So we'll put that zipper down there. Check the bag in this one. It's full a little bit, it's got dust in the bottom. Not much dust in there actually, nothing really to be worried about. So actually I think I will replace my Sunday driver, because I have a Sunday daily driver which I run around the carpets every Sunday, with this, which beats the turbo boost, because I thought the turbo boost was quite good. I found out this is better, so let's clean up this bit. The Electrolux turbo, what's it called? Twin turbo, is a much better vacuum cleaner than the turbo boost. So there we go. That wraps up a little video for you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe if you have, and bye for now.